Did you know that the humble barnacle, often seen clinging to ships and rocks, holds a secret? These tiny creatures have the longest penis relative to body size in the animal kingdom. Imagine a creature the size of a grain of rice with an appendage 8 times its body length. This adaptation allows barnacles to reproduce without moving, as they are permanently attached to surfaces. It's a fascinating example of nature's ingenuity, ensuring survival in the most stationary of lifestyles. Next time you see a barnacle, remember its surprising claim to fame. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing facts.